Picture this, making money while you sleep. It's not magic, it's the reality for thousands of successful online entrepreneurs. Curious how? Stick around. Don't know where to start? I have a video that I can send you on how I started. Click on the Learn More button somewhere around this video. Enter your details and I'll send the video to you at no cost. Hi, my name is Glenn. While working in the elevator industry, I qualified as an electrician. Looking for a better future, I flew around the world for 20 years, undertaking consultancy work at 5-star properties on their elevator systems, and now retired due to work decreasing after the pandemic. I was always feeling drained after a flight, getting up early, do reports before carrying out inspections at the property until late in the afternoon. After dinner, do more reports until 9 p.m. or later, then roll into bed and do it all again the next day. Sunday, if not another flight, I would just stay in my room all day recovering from fatigue and feelings of anxiety and stress from not being with the family, especially when they needed me the most. I knew I needed to change my life, or I would be doing this until I was 70 or more, and my general and mental health would deteriorate by not living the life I wanted. I wanted to reignite my relationships with my family, as I never had a great relationship with my parents. So I turned to the internet for solutions. I was looking for genuine information on starting an online income, and I found it. One day, a mentor, Stuart, showed up in my life telling me how to create income online. Stuart is the co-founder of one of the best online education platforms in the world. Stuart's changed my life, and now I'm turning my visions into reality. I have a world-class website promoting products 24/7, also YouTube ads that bring me customers while offline enjoying my life or even sleeping. I built these from scratch, which I never believed I could do before, but with the new skills, I'm on my way to being financially secure. Furthermore, my health improved significantly due to reduced travel, so now I can scuba dive again after 20 years. In this time-limited video, I'm unable to fully explain Stuart's solutions, but I do have a video I can send you that has the details. The video will give you the concepts of how to have online income. Following the concepts, put in the effort, and these concepts can even help you gain earlier retirement. I want to help you, so if you'd like the video, click the Learn More button. Simply enter your name and email address, and I will send the first video immediately at no cost to you. There will be other informative videos following. Spend a few minutes of your life, have a look. Maybe this is for you, maybe not. You've nothing to lose.